go!
Hi! Hello, everyone! Woo! So, I'm Regina. I am a
Noise.
former mental health care worker and I'm a proud business owner.
Nessan here, proud digital business owner, full-time therapist.
Tabby here from Melbourne, Australia. Woohoo! I'm a proud digital business owner, and of course, by profession, I'm a beauty therapist. Thank you.
Yeah. And I am
Amy,
very proud of
aloha.
this.
I'm healthcare worker from Hawaii, a digital business owner.
Okay. I'm very proud this year that I become an online digital business owner. Yahoo! Life changing.
I am very proud to meet all my business partners all over the world. It's life-changing.
You know what? I took a right decision. I'm becoming a proud digital business owner in this year, and my parents are with me. I'm so blessed. Woohoo!
I gained confidence and with my personal development has been improved with this digital business.
Yahoo! Join us, everyone. Become an online digital business owner.
Join us.
Go ahead, Sis Amy.
Hello, Melikalikimaka, aloha. Amy from Hawaii, and again, join us as digital business owners.
Please do it. There you go, Sis Tabby.
Okay, guys.
Come on, erase.
Okay,
Oh
guys.
my God! Okay, ready?
Ladies, sis, go ahead. Go ahead, sis.
Hello, I'm Tabby from Melbourne, Australia. I'm a beauty therapist, and guess what? I'm a proud digital owner. Thank you.
Hello, everyone. Nessan here, a mom, a digital business owner, a full-time therapist assistant by profession. And 2024 has been very good to me. I was able to meet business partners globally and able to get out of my comfort zone. Yay!
Yay! Yahoo! Me too. I'm able to get out of my comfort zone. And we would love to invite you to sign in our website and join us in our business partnership. Empower yourself, be the owner of your own online business, and be the resources of your income that so you too can have that chance and opportunity to change your life. So sign in and join us all at our business community. Bye, everyone. Yahoo!
Bye!
Bye.